Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your account at Lucidchart. First of all, we have to go to lucidchart.com, and I strongly recommend you trying their sign up free option, which you can just try for some time, and then if you decide to subscribe, you can easily do it. As you can see, individual is 8, team is 8 per user, and enterprise is custom or quotation based. But what we want to do is click on start free, and you can start with your full name, with your work email and the password. Or you can just straight away start up with a Gmail account if you have one, or if your company is based on Gmail. But let's go with Matt King, work email, and then let's go with password. And just like that, we can create an account. No, I don't want to save the password. And we are creating it right now. And here we are. What is my role? Let's go with admin, and we can now set up it. Which business admin management? Let's go with flowchart. We can invite people, but we can do it in different video. So that's about it. That's how you create your account. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.